Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? So after a long time, Theta Network is wake up, and it's a really good news for all Theta Network. To Theta Network is starting moving upward now. Actually, I have two good news for all Theta Network. The first good news is that my brothers to Theta Network is wake up after a long time, and absolutely, my friends, they will go give you a good profit now. And the second good news is absolutely, my friend, I will announce now just and only at the end of this month. So you can see my brother this time, sorry, at the end of this video. So this time you can see the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and they will completely wake up. But from last, my friend, you can see here 12-hour, this coin is very badly fell down. So I'm 100% sure the chain I can really positive now, and positive, because if you can see, my friend, the candle is completely green and completely go in the moon, my brother. So it's a really great news for all holder, Theta Network holder. The price is increasing minute by minute, hour by hour, and it's a one thing I want to tell you, my brothers, to you need to hold. If you starting holding, then absolutely, my friend, this coin is more moving upward now. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you as a brother, my brothers, to understand and be safe from loss, my brother. So this time, my brothers, you can see here, after a very long time, this coin is wake up. So it's mean, my brothers, to upcoming time, the future is completely bright, my brother. So it's gonna be in the moon now, just and only you need to hold, my brother. What's my prediction? My prediction is that, my brothers, my prediction is that to after fails, every cryptocurrency fail, take a jump. Everybody know this. To after fails, every cryptocurrency is take a jump. You can see here like that. Exactly, my brothers. After this short fails, they take a jump. So therefore, I tell you, my brothers, to from last 7 days, my friends, this coin is completely fails down. So I know, my brothers, to upcoming time, they also moving upward now. Just in only, my brother, 1 week, if they move starting moving upward, then they will make you millionaire, and they will hit, my friends, 20 USD dollar. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kindly, you need to subscribe this channel for latest update. ABS channel will guide you. You need to just and only subscribe this channel, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment box. I will answer you very fastly now. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time. Like and subscribe channel.